In July of 2021, Ech DreaM Incorporated held a demonstration event for their non-combustible next generation FRP and non-combustible heat insulation. Five wooden model homes were prepared for this event. All of the model homes are made of materials that are used in real wooden homes, except for the model home placed in the middle, which has been processed with the non-combustible next generation FRP. Kerosene has been added to the bottom of all five model homes to simulate a severe fire in a dense residential area. A box made with the non-combustible heat insulation was placed in the middle model house to demonstrate that the inside of the box will not burn.
自信があるので1万円入れます。この1万円がどうなるか見てってください。ここに入れるだけです。頼むわ。頼みますよ、本当に。
The box is a simulation of a room that would be built using the non-combustible heat insulation inside the model house. A guest from an overseas company with a large sales channel in the Middle East attended this demonstration event. Ech DreaM Incorporated's products have attracted the attention of many overseas companies.
این یه $100 الان ما گذاشتیم توی این جعبه که میخوایم آتیش بزنیم. الان اینا چوب همین و اینا که سقف پلاستیکیه. این وسطیه با پوشش ضد حریق پوشیده شده. الان تمام بدنه این یه چوب داخلش همه چیش با اینها یکیه، هیچ فرقی نمیکنه، فقط یک پوشش ضد حریق ما بهش زدیم. بین 4 تا قرار دادیم و میخوایم آتیش بزنیم ببینیم چی هستش. و توی این جعبه‌ای که الان گذاشتیم یک $100 گذاشتیم توش که ببینیم بعد از آتیش گرفتن و خاموش کردن چه اتفاقی برای این $100 مون و این خونه نازنین میفته.
The fire burned much more intensely compared to a real residential fire, and the 4 wooden model homes without any processing collapsed within 5 to 6 minutes from ignition. More kerosene was added to the one remaining model home to make the situation worse. The model homes were made very recent to this event, and this did not allow enough time for the moisture in the wood to dry completely. This caused swelling in the walls of the model home due to the remaining moisture in the walls expanding from vaporization by heat. Additionally, the main ingredient in the non-combustible next generation FRP has the property of expanding through rapid heating. Without rapid heating, the walls will not swell. The experiment was stopped 18 minutes after ignition.
あの火事の中で木造住宅が立っとるだけでこれは奇跡だと思います。あたたたたた。回答お願いします。マップまだお願いします。回答にやってもらう。手袋。で、どうでしょう。
ないです。ないです。
今日の実験はこれでもう終わりでいいですよ。もう。
As you can see from the cross-section, the wood inside was not burned at all. While there are other non-combustible materials such as reinforced concrete, these materials do not block heat, which allows for items such as paper money to burn through heat conduction. Here we demonstrate that Ech DreaM Incorporated's products are not only non-combustible, but also have excellent insulation properties. We prepared 3 boxes made with a combination of wood and heat insulation to create the same structure as many Japanese wooden homes. To compare how effective different building materials are when caught on fire, these 3 boxes were made of ordinary home building materials and non-combustible building materials. The outside of the first box was made of ordinary wood with aluminum foil attached to it to make it less flammable. Major construction companies use non-combustible wood with a similar structure. The inside of the box is lined with styrofoam insulation, which is commonly used in ordinary homes. The second box was made with unprocessed ordinary wood on the outside and Ech DreaM Incorporated's non-combustible heat insulation on the inside. The third box was made of a non-combustible wood known for its high performance on the outside and a commonly used insulation on the inside, which is the same as the first box. Some ice and a 1,000-yen bill were placed inside of the second box, which was made with Ech DreaM Incorporated's non-combustible insulation. Kerosene was continuously added throughout the demonstration to prove the usefulness of well-insulating materials when saving lives, not to prove whether the boxes would burn or not. After adding kerosene for the 10th time, we ended the demonstration at 15 minutes after ignition. The first box, made of ordinary wood with aluminum foil attached to it, had burned and collapsed completely. The third box, made of the non-combustible wood known for its high performance, kept its shape well without burning.
1500度の炎でも形を持っとるっていうのは、これは木材にしたらかなりの奇跡に近い商品だと思います。
However, even though the flames from the fire did not reach the inside of the box, the heat was transmitted, causing the insulation inside to melt. The outside of the second box, which is ordinary wood, had burned and carbonized. However, the 1,000-yen bill and the ice placed inside of the box, which was lined with Ech DreaM Incorporated's non-combustible insulation, did not burn or melt. Even though the 1,000-yen bill got wet with kerosene after adding kerosene many times, the bill still didn't burn from heat conduction, proving the high insulation property. While the ice may look like some of it has melted, this was due to the summer heat melting some of the ice before the demonstration started. We believe that many lives could be saved if there is a nearby room with non-combustible insulation to escape to, even when engulfed by flames, just like the 1,000-yen bill was safe in the demonstration. Through this demonstration, we were also able to confirm the extreme high quality of the non-combustible wood. Successfully combining such products with Ech DreaM Incorporated's products will open up new possibilities to saving the lives of many people. Thank you for watching this demonstration video. Please do not hesitate to contact us with possible ideas of using non-combustible next generation FRP and insulation.